What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And the Oneplus Nord 3 updates are here and they are something major right now, as the Oneplus Nord 3 will be coming with all of these specifications. Also, the price of this phone is also being leaked, so let's find out how exactly is this smartphone going to stand against the odds. Now, starting off with the processor, the Dimensity 9000 is indeed on the cards now. It's confirmed and it will be coming with the same. But this time around, the RAM option is going to be getting increased. It will be supporting up to 16 gigs of internal RAM, and also it is going to be LPDDR5X faster RAM support. Now, the camera of this smartphone is again increasing with a 50 megapixel of a primary camera, an 8 megapixel of an ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel of a macro or depth sensor. But the front camera is going to be the similar one with a 16 megapixels, and that's going to be in the form of punch-hole camera as usual. But also the dual stereo speakers support in this smartphone will be coming this time around with a Dolby Atmos support. And to increase the better haptics on this smartphone, it will be coming with the X-axis haptic motor, and the NFC and the IR blaster will also be coming, which we have not seen previously in the Oneplus Nord smartphones. Now, talking about its software, then the software is going to be Oxygen OS 13.1 out of the box, and it's upgradable up to 2 years of major OS upgrades and 3 years of security patch. Now, we also know that the Android 14 is right around the corner, so that might not be the happiest moment for some of us. Now, the next thing comes is about its battery and the charging speeds. The 5000 mAh battery will be powered under the hood, and it will be powered by the 80 watt of SuperVOOC fast charging. Now, this fast charging we have seen in the Oppo phone and also in the previous OnePlus Nord smartphones, and the charger will be included in the box. That's the best part about the phone. Now, also the display of this phone is going to be 6.7 inch of a 1.5K display, and it's not a regular just 1080p display. So a 1.5K resolution is indeed a major upgrade. Now, the display is also 120Hz of high refresh rate, and the alert slider will be retained. Now, the phone will also be coming with the 4000 mm square of VC cooling chamber to keep the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 even cooler, and it's overall making it a complete sense of a complete package of a smartphone for 30,000 rupees, as for 40,000 OnePlus already has the OnePlus 11R. Now, what do you think about this smartphone, and are you willing to buy and planning to buy the OnePlus Nord 3? What are your thoughts? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you are still watching this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.